Decide where to install the condenser. Either on the back of the truck cab or beneath the truck cab. On back of the truck cab, mount condenser either vertically or horizontally. If vertical, put refrigerant ports on the bottom. Run line sets from the cheb up the back of cab to see how high the condenser can be mounted. Measure this distance. The higher the condenser is mounted, the more efficient it will be. Measure and mark the right height. Attach the mounting template to the cab. Make sure it is level. Drill holes where indicated on template with a 25/64 drill bit. Be sure not to drill through interior wall. Install inserts into the holes. Use bolts to mount the condenser. Using cable clamps, run line sets and power cord under truck cab and up the back wall, securing them tightly every 12 to 18 inches. Put a little light machine oil on the male threads of the line set quick connect fittings to help lubricate and make a good seal. Attach line sets to condenser with good swift turns to minimize escape of refrigerant. Plug the fan's electrical cord into condenser.